Welcome to the world's first multiplayer race and battle drone game with real palm-sized drones. The game which turns gamers into pilots and pilots into gamers. We proudly present to you a new generation of gaming. Let's race. You will use mobile devices to control the drones and to connect with other players. Interactive bases can be used as power-ups that can affect other players. Bonus points to rank up, or tricky traps generator. Special durable plastic is mixed to withstand falls and crashes with no damage. The app offers intuitive tilting controls, control joystick, and a cooldown button for boosts and missiles. Your final results are shared with other players online. Challenge your friends with Team Battle Mode. Steal the flag from your enemy and defend your own. Every team member has different roles and powers. Team tactics is the key. Drones have an inbuilt infrared LED cannon to shoot light rays with encoded ID. This allows shots to differ from each other. You can virtually equip the drone with different equipment in the Drone and Base app. Adding more armor slows down the drone, but allows you to withstand more hits when defending the base. Placing more bases with power-ups around the battlefield will make the game even more interesting. Base shoots infrared rays upwards, which are detected by drones flying nearby the base. The base can be preset to work as a flag or power-up using the Drone and Base app. A little bit of teamwork and a well-timed missile launch can help you overcome the enemy and win the battle. Your results are shown on a scorecard and shared with other players online. If you want to improve your skills, you can use the base as a shooting target. Single-player games can help you fill the time and get you going before your friends come to a Drone and Base gaming party. The complete Drone and Base package includes drone and base, 2 batteries, battery charger, and spare props. Propellers are made to be almost indestructible. An electronic board stabilizes the drone 400 times per second. Data is transmitted via low-energy Bluetooth within a 30-meter range. A separate processor is used for infrared game communication. 2 multicolored LEDs indicate drone status, hits, and team color. Drone has 3 infrared receivers for 360 degrees coverage. The portable charger is powered from a USB port and can charge up to 4 batteries. It comes ready to fly outside the box. Just plug in the battery, download the app, and fly.
SIMpro is one simple solution for your phone. We all know the frustration of using multiple SIM cards. Been there, done that. It's annoying and time-consuming to change SIM cards when traveling or when switching between business and personal modes. Imagine having an extra SIM slot always available. SIMpro is a SIM card adapter that easily connects to your smart devices via Bluetooth. Once the device is connected to your phone, you can take advantage of a second SIM card slot to change between cards seamlessly, be it for data, calls, or just switching numbers anywhere at any time. SIMpro is the one solution that is changing how we use our smartphones. SIMpro is essential if you have to carry two phones. With SIMpro, two bulky phones become one. After having downloaded the SIMpro app, you can now easily shift between SIM cards using only one device. And you can even record your phone conversation with the app. With SIMpro, everything becomes simpler and more organized. There are many cases that prove the convenience of using SIMpro. Use data and switch between your devices with SIMpro whenever and wherever.
In this fast-paced mobile world, access to power is no longer simply an option, but a necessity. PowerFilm has been in business for nearly 3 decades, perfecting solar solutions and exceeding the needs of businesses, custom orderers, and military markets. PowerFilm is meeting these changing power demands with the launch of the LightSaver Max. The LightSaver Max features a state-of-the-art roll-out thin-film solar panel in an incredibly compact design. Other chargers on the market are heavy, bulky, fragile, and lack energy storage. Loaded with 15,600 milliamp hours of power, the LightSaver Max is ideal for charging a variety of devices, including higher draw electronics like laptops, camping lights, and drones. Its weight and compact design make it easy to bring with you anywhere. While the specs are impressive, the best thing about the LightSaver Max is that it lets you get the most out of the electronics that you love. With cutting-edge technology, a sleek design, and industry-leading durability, the LightSaver Max will keep you connected wherever you are.
From the beginning, PowerFilm was focused on honesty and treating customers with the respect that they deserve. We try and make the highest performance products possible with incredible durability.
Our goal for this campaign is to raise $50,000. These funds will be used to alleviate high upfront production costs and to enable us to deliver the LightSaver Max as soon as possible. With your help, we can take portable power to a whole new level.
From the moment you wake up, through whatever you choose to do, being sufficiently hydrated allows your body to perform at its highest level. In order to stay on top of your game, hydration is everything. You can push yourself further and keep going for longer without anything holding you back. And now, there's a whole new way to hydrate on the go. Welcome to Hydration in Motion. Introducing the Wet Sleeve. A comfortable, breathable, and lightweight hydration solution worn on the forearm that lets you stay hydrated on the go. Forget about carrying water bottles, heavy belts, bulky backpacks, or having to stop for a drink. Wet Sleeve is ergonomically fitted to your body in a way that doesn't disrupt your natural athletic rhythm. Just fill up the reservoir with water or your favorite sports drink. Then close, insert, zip, and go. Into the wild, in the sun, on the street, in the road. Whatever gets you going, Wet Sleeve goes with you. Wet Sleeve is water resistant, and its high quality insulated layer protects the liquid within so it stays cool until you're ready to hydrate. Then, simply bite the mouthpiece on the wrist to drink without losing any of your momentum. The sleeve also features 2 built-in pockets that keep personal belongings safe. It's made of high-quality, sustainable materials, is easy to clean, and comes in 3 sizes. The customizable dual-strap fit ensures you stay comfortable, in charge, and hydrated wherever you go. Wet Sleeve. Experience your full potential. For the last 2 years, we've worked obsessively with a top European athletic wear design firm to create the most convenient way to stay hydrated while active. We haven't just improved existing products, but created something truly innovative. After countless hours of developing and testing prototypes with other athletes to refine every detail of the design, we found the perfect balance of capacity and comfort. The refillable hydration reservoir has a volume capacity of 12 ounces or 350 milliliter. It's made of FDA-approved food-grade materials, is durable, leak-proof, and slosh-resistant. Wet Sleeve's zippered pocket securely holds the reservoir and gives you quick and easy access whenever you need to refill. Using premium materials only, the built-in insulation layer keeps your beverage of choice nice and cool, even on your longest activities, while the internal 3D mesh lining allows your skin to breathe. The adjustable wraparound elastic band gives you the right fit, so you can wear your Wet Sleeve comfortably and securely at all times. We've also incorporated 2 inner pockets, sized to keep your keys and cards secure on the go. We already have our manufacturers lined up, and all we need now is your support. Upgrade your routine with the world's most innovative, hands-free hydration solution. Join us on Kickstarter and pre-order your Wet Sleeve today.